we're at Orange County Science right now, and we're going to give these gifts to SquelchySlimes. So I'm super excited to go see her. I have never met her. Oh my god. I love using Instagram pictures of it. I have to get and this is King Sparkles. We brought these because I know you love these. And then these are 2 events that I'm doing like my
You're the best. Can I have a hug?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You were the first account I followed.
Really?
Like when I made my slime account. And you like, I know, I saw your story. I feel so bad.
No, don't feel bad.
Like you inspired me so much. Want to get a picture? Okay guys, so that part was a little bit early on in the event, and after the pictures were taken, me and Nicolette talked for a while, and she was so nice. If you ever meet her at an event, you'll know exactly what I mean. She is the sweetest. Also, after those clips, Nicolette and KODA ended up leaving midway through the event, and then in these next few clips, you'll see when she came back, and I was super excited, and we got to meet them again. Okay guys, Nicolette and KODA are back at the booth. I literally need to go right now.
Yes. Woo! Oh, so cute.
You're so sweet. I know, I saw that. You're so cute. You're the cutest. Oh. Do you want to see him? Go say hi to him. KODA, you're so cute. You're so cute. Say hi to him. You're the cutest thing in this world. KODA's so cute. Look at him. Look at you.
I hope you love that.
Look at how nice you are. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. You are so cute.
I love your crop.
Okay guys, I'm going to get these signed. The bag is like ripping. He's literally like a stuffed bear. Oh. So cute.
He loves you. Good boy.
Can you sign my slimes?
The slime's in there?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to the bag.
I know, it totally destroyed.
Do we have any? Switch it.
What's it been
Let me just sign that one.
I love your son so much. I got fudge batter pudding in a 32 ounce. It was so
He like smiles to the camera. Oh, no.
he's like a stuffed animal. He's so cute. Okay guys, we just met Glitter Slimes, Nicolette, again for the second time. I already signed my slimes, she put them in a new bag. Sorry this is like, what is going on right now? Sorry, why is this so blurry right now? Okay, so Nicolette is literally so nice. That's the first thing that Kelly like said. Like she's so nice. Like if you ever get the chance to meet her, she's literally so nice. Like you don't even have to worry about anything. And then KODA is so sweet. He was like smiling for the camera. He like bit the camera at one point. He was the cutest thing ever. And yeah. Okay, so when we were packing up, Nicolette even came down to our booth and took more pictures with us because I wanted some more pictures because the ones I took, I thought I kind of looked a little crusty. And she was so sweet. Like, you literally cannot tell me that she's not the sweetest person ever. She literally left her packing up to come take pictures. Like, oh my goodness. My shop right now is currently stocked with all of the overage slimes, so make sure to go check that out. And make sure to check out all these events that I'll be going to over the summer so that you can meet me and I can do another one of these vlogs and have such a fun experience.
Bye, guys.